Samsung's Galaxy S25 is stirring up buzz in the tech world, particularly around its rumored support for the Qi2 wireless charging standard. Qi2 represents the next step in charging technology, promising seamless connections with magnetic alignment for accessories like chargers and wallets. But with Samsung, things are rarely straightforward, and the story of Qi2 on the Galaxy S25 comes with a twist. The Qi2 wireless charging standard, introduced a couple of years ago, was a game changer. Inspired by Apple's MagSafe, it introduced the magnetic power profile, a system that ensures perfectly aligned charging every time. Devices boasting the Qi2 logo are guaranteed to include this feature, opening up a world of magnetic accessories and making charging more efficient and reliable. Naturally, the idea of seeing this cutting-edge technology on Samsung's flagship had fans excited. However, leaked details suggest Samsung might take a slightly unconventional approach. Recent reports revealed a list of official Galaxy S25 accessories, including something called a magnet case. At first glance, this seemed like confirmation that the Galaxy S25 would support Qi2 with magnetic alignment. But digging deeper, it appears this case, not the phone itself, might be the key to unlocking the feature. This revelation has sparked debate among Samsung enthusiasts, as it suggests the Galaxy S25 might not natively support the full Qi2 standard. According to the Wireless Power Consortium, which oversees the Qi standard, any device carrying the Qi2 logo must include the magnetic power profile. However, reports indicate that the Galaxy S25 may not feature this logo. Without it, the phone could still support wireless charging at speeds up to 15 watts but lack the magnetic alignment that defines Qi2. Instead, Samsung's magnet case could fill this gap, featuring the Qi2 logo and enabling magnetic functionality. This strategy isn't entirely new. Other brands like OnePlus have followed a similar route. The OnePlus 13, for example, doesn't include the magnetic power profile in the phone itself, but offers first-party cases to add this feature. Samsung's approach seems to echo this, but it also raises questions. Why should users of a premium flagship device need to buy extra accessories for a feature that many expected to be standard? This decision has divided opinions. Some see it as a smart move, giving users the option to invest in magnetic functionality only if they need it. Others feel it's an unnecessary compromise, especially for a device in the Galaxy S25's price range. Flagship phones are supposed to set the bar for innovation, and offloading key features to optional accessories doesn't sit well with everyone. Looking to the future, there's hope that Samsung will fully embrace Qi2 in its high-end devices. By 2026, it would make sense for Samsung to integrate the magnetic power profile directly into its flagship phones. Doing so would not only keep pace with competitors, but also enhance the user experience by enabling seamless compatibility with a broader range of magnetic accessories, from chargers to wallets and more. A fully Qi2-compatible Galaxy device could become the centerpiece of a truly connected ecosystem, without the need for add-ons like the magnet case. For now, though, the Galaxy S25 represents a middle ground. It offers users a way to access Qi2 functionality, but not without a little extra effort and expense. Whether this approach pays off for Samsung remains to be seen. It's clear the company is pushing boundaries, but the question remains, is this innovation or just an unnecessary workaround? Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into Samsung's Galaxy S25 and its intriguing approach to Qi2. Stay tuned for more insights, updates, and stories from the ever-evolving world of tech. See you in the next video. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the Unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with the 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.